My dad was constantly asking me to repeat myself and could never hear me. And I'd been asking him to go for a hearing test for a while, and he was really avoiding it until he finally agreed to go when he heard Hidden Hearing did free hearing tests. He was a bit apprehensive, which he'll never admit, but I went with him anyway, which Hidden Hearing actually advise, as you can help with the test and give context as someone who knows the person having the hearing test. And wow, the staff are so nice and welcoming. They gave us a cup of tea when we arrived, they explained everything so it's simple to understand, and they really put my dad at ease. The test was so quick and easy, not invasive at all, and he said at the end he didn't even know what he was worrying about. The staff at Hidden Hearing are just fantastic. My dad's experience was really positive and I can't recommend it enough. This free hearing test is a no-brainer investment in your health, so go to hiddenhearing.co.uk to book today.